Student, today's topic is rectangle and elliptical tool, free selection tool and fuzzy select tool. So let's start the application. GIMP. It is opening. It takes some time to open. So you can wait it. Yes, it is open now. Now it is new version available. I will do it later. Okay. Now see, first of all, insert a photo, open and insert from your gallery. Okay, a picture is on the screen. Now selection tool, selection. So this is selection tool, rectangular selection tool. When you right click on the option, then a option will appear: elliptical selection, rectangular selection. Okay, now I am using rectangular, so you can apply it like this. Click left button of the mouse and right click on the area which is selected. Okay, then a lot of option available. Using crop the selection. Yes, the area, selected area cropped. So now second option, I made it back by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Okay, second option, free selection tool. This is free selection tool and it has three options: scissor and foreground selection. I am using free selection tool. You can left click and apply it. Move the mouse. Okay, I am doing it fast, so see, I am not doing correctly, but it will take time to correct crop. Okay, now right click on the area and use crop content. Image crop. Okay, that is the way to crop the figure which you want to crop from the picture. This is two ways to apply. एक हो गया free selection tool and second rectangular and elliptical tool. Now once again I am going to back and real position of the picture, and next option is Fuji selection tool. This is Fuji selection tool and it has two option also. Fuji selection tool selected by color. Okay, apply it. Then a particular area will be show you to remove or edit like this. Double click on the area, then the area will show you to ready for editing. Okay, use delete button to delete the color. Okay, you can easily watch the video. The area is totally white, it is not looking blue. So this is the way. I am going to back to show you this area was blue and I applied the Fuji selection tool and use delete key to make it white. Okay, apply, click mouse and apply delete button. The area will be Okay, so that is the way to use Fuji selection tool. Clear? So today you learned the 3-point selection, rectangular and elliptical tool, free selection tool and Fuji selection tool. Thank you. Have a nice day.